Okay, so we have made it to the cottage, and the first thing we're gonna do is go to the beach. Not a surprise, but I'm excited. I wonder if the water is gonna be colder or warmer or the same as it was in Hoffmaster. Kind of anxious to see. But either way, I'm gonna go in the water. Okay, ready for the beach. Let's go, friends. To the beach we go. Ready to go to the beach? Ready to go to the beach? Yeah! We have arrived. Let's see how not cold water this is. Whoa! It's like 20 degrees warmer than Hoffmaster was. Dude, that's insane. Done at the beach. Back tomorrow. The cottage is definitely one of my happy places. Just being at the cottage is nice and relaxing. It's quiet, it's calm. Everyone here is relatively nice, and the waters and just the scenery and the whole entire culture here in this town is just beautiful to me. And one thing I like about the cottage and kind of don't like, my love-hate relationship with this is there's internet, right, which is a good thing, but it's not that great. And what I mean by this is it's nice to once in a while just unplug from the internet, unplug from Wi-Fi and all this other and cellular, and just stay in the moment, just be yourself. And I challenge you guys, you can just go, it doesn't have to be like in a town or a house where there isn't really good Wi-Fi. It could even be at your regular house with Wi-Fi and just not use it for a day or even a chunk of time. But it's nice to just unplug from everything and live life in the moment. It's good to work hard and enjoy hard. But I 100% recommend all you guys to try a day and just unplug from everything. It changes you, it definitely changes you. You have more state of mind, hang out with other people and do stuff for other people. It's great. Okay, I gotta get back to enjoying life. Like I was saying, calm waters.